All I have to say is thank you for removing the snow pile. I made it as far as I could. I am definitely just not good enough for this. Let me see. It's up to my knees. I made it. Made it to here. I'm never making it up there. Look at that. That's crazy. You gotta bang the door. There you go.
I did.
Yeah.
Damn. Okay.
We're in there, huh?
We are.
All right. We're gonna need some snowshoes to get up. Little hashy browns, smash burgers, toasted buns, and the messy tent. Well, it's kind of hard, you know, when you live in a tent for 4 days. Let me see. Let's see what we got here. Whoop. We have 16 degrees outside and 79 in here. Alright. Got the diesel heater pumping. Alright. If you guys have the LF Brothers diesel heater, I don't know if this works with all of them, but you got the little inlet hose. That's where it sucks the fresh air in. Right there. I got a hose coming inside the tent, so it's sucking air in here, running through and coming out. Right? So this is like twice as hot as it was before. The other thing that I noticed is that before it was like 14 to 17 watts on low. Now it's like 7 to 9 watts. So I'm using like half the power. Crazy. And I mean, like right here, my hand is starting to, that's hot.
You're standing right in the way while I'm cooking.
I know.
So...
Thank you for ruining. Do a little mayonnaise, a little hash browns, smash them burgers up. Good. Scrumptious.
Flip them and cheese them. Shut that off. One. Potatoes on the top.
Oh, that is a tater tot
Smash burger.
Yep. That's what I'm talking about. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
Good morning. Kind of cleaned it up a little bit in here. Yeah, a little bit of snow. Yeah, is that nice? You don't even need a jacket.
Beautiful.
I made this little snow wall. Keeps everything warm except your head. It's a work in progress. But yeah, quite a bit of snow. ATV got stuck, so that went down the driveway, but never came back up. So, yeah, my fucking good friend Paul's coming to drop off a snowblower so we can hopefully snowblow the driveway. But I'll keep you guys updated. But it's pretty cool up here. I love it here. It's so quiet. Listen. Oh, you can hear a big truck on the highway all the way over there. Beautiful. All right. Alright, last night here, just getting some cleaning up done, putting some things away. Kinda made a little area to hang out by the fire, got a little windbreak wall. Yeah, did. I made it up all the snow. Actually, my best friend, brother, brought my snowblower up. We snowblowed the whole driveway, all the way down around the corner. Yeah, game changer. I used to have to walk around this, be a pain in the ass. But I can walk to my outhouse. Got this little shelf unit, so I got a storage box, got my sled, got a snowblower, got a table, a couple solar panels, totes is like my little winter storage, you know, kinda. So yeah, man, that's my new snow. This thing's a beast. Toro Power Max 824. Yeah, you see my driveway. This thing just did it. Probably took like maybe an hour and a half. Insane. All right, getting dark. Gonna snow out in a little while. Just gonna show you. Getting up to like waist high. So let's check out the snowblow job.
I know, I see it. The ice.
Yeah, it's definitely icy.
Yeah, but we do have some salt left over. I know, I see it.
Like, you forget how long like this driveway is.
Yeah. Once you get to here, it's kind of like, oh yeah, I still have like a lot to get.
I'm probably just gonna go to the corner and then I'll zoom it in so you guys can see how much I had to snowplow. It's crazy. All the way down there. And then this is like not even the halfway point. Actually, it's a little further than halfway.
Like about halfway.
Yeah, about that. Front bumper looking a lot better now. You know, wife's disabled, got the bad hips in the back, so I made a loop for her. Yeah, so she can get out and do a little walk. Hey, fancy meeting you. Oh my God, it was so good. It's almost canoe season. Alright, so I just wanted to go over something real quick about loading up your wood stove for the night, because a lot of you guys are like, I don't want to get up every few minutes and reload it. So what I do is that about an hour or two before I go to bed, I take all these coals and I keep pulling them forward like this. Alright, and then I close that up and I got the damper fully open. You'll start to see it, like it's turning red down there, and you'll get these nice like blue flames. Now once the flames die down, right, and you got no more flames, and you got them about a quarter across the bottom, right, stick your poker in there and then even it all out, close up everything, and then fill it all the way up to the top with wood. But like Tetris, you got to fill in all the cracks because you want to like smother it, and then close that. If you do this at midnight, you can easily make it till 5, 6 in the morning without having to touch it, and it'll still be a little bit of orange in the bottom. Pro tip. Alright. As you can see right there, the flame's just about out. So now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna close that door there. Alright, but before we dampen it, alright, you're gonna get your glove on. Alright. Sorry, I'm all shaky. You're gonna go in there like this, right? You're gonna push that all back, right? So you want it nice and spread out. Alright? So now, you want to try to find your biggest pieces you got, and you want the fat end towards the front door. Okay, I'll drop that in there, and then you want to try to cock it over. You want to put all the big pieces that you can on the bottom. Let's see how there's like a little gap there. I'm gonna try to take this one and drop it in like that. You gotta kind of like pick your pieces. If you can, fat end always goes towards the front door. It's like this one. See how it's a little bit fatter on that side than that side? I'm gonna turn that around. I'm gonna put it in like this is the tricky part. Like some like that doesn't fit, so we gotta take out another one. And sometimes you gotta flip it around. It's a pain in the ass, but if you want to go to bed and not wake up, now that is stuffed. So now we're gonna close that up. Come back here, dampen that all the way, and that's it. We'll see you at 5 o'clock in the morning. So, good morning. It is 8:42. So, we loaded it up last night. I put one piece of wood in this morning. That's what you got left. Pretty much all coals. We're just getting ready. Kind of already got the cots taken out. Got everything lined up. The diesel heater. Little Husky tote right here, Home Depot. Thing's been great. Waterproof seal. It's got 6 clips on it. It's amazing. Let's see how. Ooh, wow. It's coming down. I think they're saying like 1.8 to 2 inches an hour. I use my other solar panel to cover the diesel heater. Yeah, that's been working great with the inlet hose. So, now it's sucking air in here and then blowing here, so it's taking the in here instead of bringing it from outside. So much better. Till next time.